This PJCARD EM7455 module gives compatible Lenovo ThinkPad laptops fast 4th generation long-term evolution mobile data with a reliable Sierra design that feels built for constant travel use. The card uses the newer next-generation form factor M.2 interface, so installation in supported ThinkPad systems is straightforward and does not require awkward adapters. Once configured with the proper drivers, the module delivers strong download performance up to 300 megabits per second and upload speeds up to 50 megabits per second, which is plenty for streaming, conferencing, and remote work. Wideband support across many long-term evolution frequency ranges and universal mobile telecommunications system or high-speed packet access networks means it can latch onto service in a lot of regions and with many carriers. The compact card fits cleanly into the internal slot of models like the ThinkPad T-Series, L-Series, P-Series, X-Series, and Yoga variants, so you can keep your machine fully mobile without relying on an external hotspot or dongle. Build quality and firmware stability are solid for a refurbished or replacement module, making it a dependable way to restore or add integrated cellular connectivity to a supported Lenovo business laptop.